differentiation. The equation of a curve is y equals e to the power of minus 5x tangent squared x. Stationary points means the y prime equals 0, so we need to find the derivative equate to 0. So this is the y, so we have a multiplication, we have to use the product rule. So this is the product rule in the MF19 here. So when we use the product rule, yes, so the du dx is called u prime, dv dx v prime, so the rule is actually u prime v plus v prime u, just like this, u prime v plus v prime u. So if the u is e to the power of minus 5x, using this rule, the v is the same thing, e to the power of minus 5x, but multiplied by minus 5 because of the chain rule, because of the derivative of minus 5x. So using chain rule, we multiply by minus 5. This is the u prime. The v is tangent squared. Use the power rule. So bring the power down. You have 2 times. The power is now 1. So 2 times tangent to the power of 1 times the derivative of tangent, which is secant squared. So because of the chain rule, we have to multiply by secant squared, which is the derivative of tangent. Tangent becomes secant squared. Okay, so this is the v prime, and then we solve the equation equals 0, so we can pull out e to the power of minus 5x tangent squared x, e to the power of minus 5x tangent x, actually, so just tangent x, tangent x, tangent x. So from the first term we still have minus 5 times tangent from the first term, and from the second term, after we pull out these two, we still have 2 secant squared. And then we use the MF19 formula for trigonometry. 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared, so we replace this secant squared with 1 plus tangent squared. So we still have to multiply by 2, and we can simplify. Minus 5 plus 2, that's actually, yeah, we cannot simplify because this is with a square, so it's not like terms. Okay, nothing else to do here, just rearrange the 2 tangent squared first, and then minus 5 tangent, and then plus 2, we have a quadratic in tangent squared. So now we solve each factor equals 0. If this equals 0, then to solve this we do ln both sides, because ln e cancel out, we have only the power, we have only minus 5x on the left. On the right you will get a math error if you use your calculator, so this is rejected, it's impossible, there's no solution. And from the second factor, tangent x equals 0, we use inverse tangent and we get x equals 0. And from the third factor, the quadratic equals 0, actually we can factorize this. Tangent minus 2, 2 tangent minus 1, which means we have 2 possibilities from the quadratics. We have tangent minus 2 equals 0, so tangent equals 2, so x is inverse tangent 2, which is this, using a calculator in radians, of course. And here we add 1 to both sides, divide both sides by 2, use inverse tangent, we get this in radians also, which means we have 3 solutions. Alright, I'll see you again next time.